And so the plan is we're just going to go walk the perimeter and then we're going to go drone the perimeter.
So it's the end of the day. We had our sandwiches. We cleared a spot for the truck and the trailer, and we cleared a spot for the truck and the camper. Christian drove over a couple of times to flatten it down. But yeah, it's looking pretty darn good.
We're ready.
Now let's get Elwin to work to finish off the job, and we are done. So we're back at the property, and they started to put in the lines for the fencing, as you can see. So we're just going to walk through here because there was an issue. That's why we had to come back today. Apparently somebody came by and stated that the fence wasn't in the right place.
Okay, so let me put this in the sun. So when we did the survey with the contractor, I made a point of explaining that there was many markers down here. There was more than one.
Yeah.
And I spray painted this one orange to show that this is the one that goes to here. Now they made the mistake that they started cutting this one.
Yeah.
So they actually did go back and do this. So obviously our neighbor David probably corrected the mistake yesterday and alerted them to the mistake.
Right.
So the contractors that are down there now are David's contractors because he's building. We're just going to go walk the perimeter and then we're going to go drone the perimeter. So why don't you join us today? Let's go have some fun.
We're going to do the drone.
Yeah.
Right now we are just going to walk the road here to the end of our fence line. Muy bueno.
So you don't have to stand. They put a jog in the foundation and they already dug it.
Look at that.
See? There's the old string. See? So in fact they did go.
He did mess up. Yeah, he did mess up. Which, you know, more than likely it will all be burnt, but it just won't be burnt this year. That's the only problem. Oh, this is that vine. It's so pretty. So it's coming along. This is the extension of our spot that we started here. And now we're moving our way into the property. Christian marked the trees that we want to get rid of. And we've been digging. And I think he'll show you a picture right here, up in the corner, of what it looked like before. But it's going to be, these ones are going to be gone, these two here. And of course the ones with the orange. We're trying to save these, I think they're called yucca trees, if I'm not mistaken. I've been looking at the book, but there's a couple that I really want to keep. These ones here are gone, this one and this one, so we can get our camper in here. How's it going, Papa? Good. Okay, so yeah, a little bit every day. So we're gonna move all this stuff to the back and clear all this area. Well, there you go. My break is over. So here's the after. Still a couple trees that we have to get rid of, but we are out of here for today. So they got the posts started for the big gate.
Yeah, so yesterday they kind of just made some adjustments on the string. So the first day they cleared the fence line with machete and chainsaw and put in their string. Yesterday they added a little bit of string to lay out, and yesterday they dug all the holes for the posts. Well, not sorry, about half the holes for the posts. So I imagine today is going to be the rest of the post holes for day 3.
So we still have this stump here, as you can see, but that one will be later. But we got rid of the stumps over here by the big yucca tree, and Christian got rid of all those ones that were here. So now we have a place for the truck camper. Check out these bugs, like, it's starting to come together. Still not sure about this area here, but this will be where we park for 2 months. So we had lunch at the Oasis in Pescadero, and now we made it to the beach. And that's the restaurant, and I believe the hotel. And those are new buildings and residents. And this is a hotel as well, but that's the beach hotel. And then you can rent out huts. I think I'd rent a hut.
Yeah.